Hello learners, welcome to your favorite e-learning platform Pathshala. I am Savita Chauhan, your mathematics mentor. Let's just start a new chapter today which is called as coordinate geometry, and you are already aware about a little bit of things of a coordinate geometry. So let us suppose if I am taking any particular point on this plane, that is point A, and I just want to locate the position of this point. We are already aware about this concept, that how we can locate a particular point on a plane. So if we just wanted to locate its position, we just wanted a pair of coordinate axes which are of this form and called as the coordinate axes. So using these coordinate axes, that is x-axis, y-axis, we can locate the position of this particular point A. So in this chapter, we will all together discuss about the coordinate axes, the ordinates, the abscissas, and all together means if we'll take all these terms all together, we will discuss about the whole chapter, which is nothing but coordinate geometry. Because in the coordinate geometry, we will have our coordinate axes, we have the points, we have the ordinates, abscissas, and coordinates. So all these terms are actually all together giving rise to this particular topic, which is really an interesting topic in the world of mathematics, which is called as the coordinate geometry. Moreover, it has developed as an algebraic tool for the studying of the geometry of figures. Moreover, that's why it is widely used in various applications of physics. If we are talking about physics, in engineering, in navigation, it has wide range of use in all these. So let's just talk about some of the terms that you are already aware, because we already have done a little bit of things which are related with this particular chapter in our previous classes as well. So let's just talk about first of all the very first term, which is nothing but called as abscissa. So what is an abscissa or the x coordinate? So distance of a point from the y-axis, which is also called as the perpendicular distance of a point from the y-axis, is called as the abscissa or the x coordinate. Let's just talk about the ordinate. What is the meaning of the ordinate? The second term, which is really very important in this chapter. Distance of a point from the x-axis or perpendicular distance of a point from the x-axis is called as the ordinate. And whenever we will write any particular coordinate in the xy plane, we'll always take the abscissa first, then we'll take the ordinate. So the third point is whenever we are talking about the coordinate of a point on the x-axis, then the coordinates are always of the form x comma 0, because on the x-axis y is always 0. And similarly, in the same way, if we are talking about the coordinate of a point on the y-axis, then it is always of the form 0 comma y, because on the y-axis x is always 0, and the coordinates of the origin is always 0 comma 0. So these are all the necessary and the important point or the basic points we can say in the world of coordinate geometry. Now in this chapter, what we will going to study in this particular chapter, there are three major important topics that we will study in this particular chapter, and the very first important topic is nothing but called as distance formula. So in the distance formula, we will discuss about the distance in between the 2 points which is lying in a plane, and we will find the distance in between the 2 points using the concept of distance formula. And the second important concept which we will discuss in the coordinate geometry is nothing but the area of the triangle. So in the concept area of the triangle, we will be given 3 coordinates in any xy plane, and we just have to find out the area of a triangle after joining that 3 points. So this is all about the second concept. Now let's just talk about the third important concept, which is called as the section formula, which we will going to discuss in the coordinate geometry. So in the section formula, we will find the coordinates of a particular point which will lie in between any two points joining a line segment, and the point is dividing that line segment in a particular ratio. So this is all about the third concept, which is section formula. So let's just start one by one with these three important topics in the coordinate geometry.